Every country needs a responsible political opposition, but the PNP doesn't seem to understand the word responsible. What we saw at Euro Circle yesterday was a charade. They made a mockery of political opposition. Why is the PNP so desperate to hold power just for the sake of power? I mean, you could tell that they paid those people to go out and demonstrate against a political appointment. Listen, people, Jamaican people, a government has a right to appoint people to fill positions. That's what elections are for. Elections have consequences. And if it's the government's prerogative to appoint somebody to a post, you can disagree, you can register your disagreement, and if you win office, you can always change that person, remove that person from office. Because you are going to have that prerogative if you are able to convince the people that you are to be trusted with power. But the path that the PNP is on, of paying people, literally paying people. We see this is becoming a norm in Jamaica now. Where, for example, Jamaicans for injustice paid people to go out to demonstrate against the police. Most of those people that we saw yesterday don't have any idea why they're demonstrating against Mr. Chung. They have no idea. They have no idea what the agency is. They had no idea what the agency does. But the PNP paid them to go out there to destabilize our country. Why is it that the PNP ate Jamaica so much? Is the need for power and to be able to steal and siphon off public funds that great that they would have do anything? Come on, people. Elections are coming up. They are constitutionally due by September. And you have to make a choice. All of you voters have to make a choice that you want to put this type of 1970s politics in the rearview mirror and not allow Mark Golding and his band of 40 thieves to impress you or to force you to do what you don't want to do. This kind of politicking has to stop. It is destructive.